We begin tonight with news on the pandemic and more specifically on masks. Several states in the Northeast, once the hardest hit during this Omicron wave, announcing plans to lift mask mandates in schools. Tonight, New Jersey's Governor Phil Murphy calling it a major step back to normalcy. All 50 states now reporting declines in new cases, though they are still at more than 313,000 new cases a day. That's higher than at any point during previous surges. New Jersey, once an epicenter of this wave of the virus, had some of the strictest mandates. The governor today saying, quote, "This is not a declaration of victory as much as an acknowledgement that we can responsibly live with this thing." Delaware and Connecticut following suit in the coming weeks. New Jersey's governor, that move takes effect in a month and now will leave the decision up to the schools. New York's governor has been pressed on this. Will she follow suit? And does Dr. Jha believe this is a good idea? ABC's Ariel Reshef leading us off tonight.
Tonight, as new COVID infections fall in nearly all 50 states, more Americans are getting ready to see school mask mandates lifted.
I'm very happy. I could see easier, but also breathe easier and, just enjoy school more without the mask.
I think they should still be wearing the masks. It's not that big of a deal, in my opinion. It's something small that's working.
New Jersey, once a COVID epicenter and home to some of the strictest mandates, announcing masks will no longer be required in schools starting 1 month from today. The governor leaving it up to school districts to make their own rules.
Perhaps most importantly, this is a huge step back to normalcy for our kids.
I thought that was a good decision. Basically, because infection numbers are coming down, I think it's pretty reasonable to pull back on those mandates.
California, Delaware, and Connecticut say they too are planning to pull back on state mask mandates over the coming weeks. And New York's governor signaling she will make an announcement on masks on Wednesday. Tonight, officials are pushing for clear guidelines for easing restrictions.
We're calling upon the governor again for probably the 20th time to give us the metrics. Let us know what are the metrics, what is the science, when this is going to end.
While hospitalizations are down nearly 50% from Omicron's peak and cases down 61%, the country is still averaging more than 300,000 new cases a day, higher than any peak during previous surges. And health experts caution the pandemic isn't over yet.
We're not close to the end right now, depending on how you measure that. I think that this is going to be a long struggle. This is a virus that's going to be persistent. We're going to have to continue to take measures to protect vulnerable people.
And this conversation about masks only beginning here, Ariel. She joins us tonight from New York. And with all these developments from different states moving forward here, the CDC out with a new statement tonight. Where does the CDC stand on masks at this point?
Well, David, the CDC is standing by its recommendation that kids older than 2 and staff continue to wear masks in schools, but they have consistently left it up to local officials to determine masking rules based on transmission in their own communities. Public health officials urging that the best way to keep kids safe from severe COVID illness is to get them vaccinated as soon as they are eligible. David?
All right, Ariel Reshef leading us off from New York tonight. Ariel, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.